Wow, that's what I said there because like I'm feeling myself. Hey guys, it's Sage and welcome back to another video. If you see that I'm wearing a similar shirt to one of my recent videos, don't comment on it, okay? I'm getting a lot of videos done today, but my hands are dyed like a dark brown, which you'll see why later in the video. But I'm going to be doing a video with ilikehairwig.com. I've worked with them before, great company. And this is an I-Part wig with no leave out. No leave out at all. So you've probably heard of U-part wigs. They're a wig that has a little cutout shaped like a U, and you have like leave out and just blend it all in. This is an I-Part wig, so the part is a lot skinnier. So you can choose to have leave out if you want, but you really don't need to. If you want to see how I blended this wig, keep on watching. So this is honestly going to be a super quick video just because I-Part wigs are so easy to blend. But I was just showing you guys I already have a temporary spray type dye on my hair just because my hair is like a brown color right now. So I just sprayed like the top of my hair that's going to be showing with that black like temporary color. And all I'm doing is literally just putting on the wig. You're going to see me adjusting the clips quite a bit just to get them in like the perfect spot. As you can see, I was really feeling this wig, just the volume. I love big hair. But all I'm doing is just spritzing the very top of my hair that's going to be kind of showing, but it's not even showing. That's the thing. Like literally all I'm doing is just taking a comb and just like making the part of my hair that's showing more frizzy to like mask the wig, if that makes sense. So literally all I'm doing is just kind of like gently combing it and like lifting a bit of my hair over like that wig just to like hide that little seam. I could escape, but I've run it long enough to know there ain't no way. Like look at that, it already looks so good. But I'm just readjusting the front clips here just because it was a bit too close to my edges, so I just moved it a tiny bit back on both sides. Can nobody do me like you? I said every little thing you do. Hey baby, say it stays on my mind. And then I'm just spritzing the actual wig just to kind of like activate the curls a bit. Ooh, you know that I'm missing you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I hear is raindrops. Ooh, yeah. Wow, that's what I said there because like I'm feeling myself. But that's pretty much it. Super quick. That actually looks so good. Wow. And that is the wig. It's literally so bomb and so full. I'm so here for this. Wow, that was a lot of sews. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the info for this wig will be down below as always. And it is Sage signing out. Peace. Don't you leave, don't take it personal, babe.